Favorite ko po ngayon, wheat bread. Ano yun?
Basang
Yung green.
ano po, basang sinabi.
yung green.
Sa akin naman po siguro, creamy spinach pizza and shrimp garlic pizza.
Wow! Nagka-crave ako ng sushi tsaka ng ramen talaga. So,
Bibilan niyo po kami.
bibilan niyo po kami.
Sushi or seafood or itlog.
Ano itlog?
Feel ko best adventure namin and upcoming adventures, magkakaroon kami ng madaming performance, not just sa Metro Manila, but outside too. Yes!
So along the way, the journey is the adventure.
Yes!
And the adventure is gonna be nationwide.
Oh, wow!
That's a tough question.
For me, yung preparation namin right now sa aming paparating na concert. Todo promote. Hindi totoo yun guys, pero syempre madaming brainstorming with Aja and CS and Star Pop. So, exciting.
Favorite moment ko ngayon this mid-year is secret pa. Malalaman niyo yan sa tamang panahon. Pero yun yung magiging favorite ko.
Yun, preparation din namin sa concert. Kasi malapit na po concert namin. So, parang, nape-pressure na kami, na kinakabahan. In a good way.
Yung recording.
Ay, memorable yun.
Recording ng
Something.
We hope that you like our adventure, tastes, and moments. And we would love to hear yours in the comment section. Thank you so much, ATM. So my ATM card is 01.